guys, Nothing But Airsoft here, and I got an unboxing for you from Evike. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so I got it open. Lots of paper, more paper. So shipping thing, and this is what I got. They said an express smell thing also. The other stuff, and then Thanksgiving Sell and Airsoft Expo for Evike, I guess. It says you're invited. Evike.com calendar, and 18% off Evike.com coupon code, so that's nice. Then I bought an AG stainless steel inner barrel. This is the 590 millimeter, what's the brand on this? Aim Top. This is the Aim Top one. Pretty nice. Then, I guess we have to open up this package too. So, let's get this open. Okay, so we got Innovation, Competition, Satisfaction, ICS, I'll think of what it's called in a second. Matrix, 0.40 gram. It's basically the heaviest BBs that you can get, other than like 4.3s. But these are for my Dragunov. Same with the inner barrel, the tie bore, and this is a bucking, hop-up bucking, I guess. And this I was gonna use for my Dragunov, but I ended up getting a harder one, so I'm probably not gonna use this. And then last item, I got another SVD Dragunov 60 round magazine by AMK. So that's it. So magazine, 40 gram matrix, bucking, and inner barrel. So thanks for watching.